At Ulrick Shop, we are developers and creators of food ingredients and compounds for the food industry. We've developed this factory so that it gives us greater control over production. We've brought production in-house, it's given us a brand new warehouse, and also it's expanded our laboratory and development facilities.
We gained a lot of confidence that Oakley were the right partner, both from a technical and a project management perspective. And they'd already challenged us effectively on some of the decisions and ideas that we'd wanted, but weren't necessarily practical. After meeting with the project leads on site here several times, we got a really strong feel that they understood what we want from a project and that we would be able to allow them an element of autonomy to run the project and to deliver us what we'd agreed at the start.
I think through the conversations that we had with them, we knew them from the past and other factories that they'd built. So they came with a lot of experience and good track record, and then we were really reassured because they managed the whole team and the whole fit out from start to finish. They're full of resource and experience, so we felt very comfortable stepping back and letting them get on with it.
They were very clear on the scope of the project about what would be covered, what wouldn't be covered. They were clear on highlighting the timescales and the costs involved.
My personal experience has been one step back, but obviously I've been involved in site meetings and progress meetings, and there's been nothing that's been brought to my attention along the way that meant a hiccup in progress or timelines being met or deadlines being achieved. Things have broadly gone to time and it's been a successful project from start to finish.
Oakley exceeded our expectations from my perspective. The bit that stood out for me was as we moved into the development phase, their flexibility to a degree over how we approached the design and the build element as we've moved into a more operational phase, and they worked really closely with us for each of those problems and effectively allowed us to find solutions.
I would just recommend to anybody when they're looking at such a project that it's a great advantage to bring in a company that can manage it end to end for you. In the long term, it can be a lot more cost effective doing it that way to save time and money.
Really positive working relationship with Oakley throughout this project. They've met or exceeded our expectations through most of the stages. Oakley is certainly a partner that I'd recommend.